The MELENTA non-stick frying pans are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. And this set, featuring 8 inches and 10 inches skillets in a lovely turquoise, is a real gem. These pans make cooking eggs and omelets a breeze because of their smooth ceramic surface. Food slides right off, and cleanup is super easy. The stay cool handles are a thoughtful touch, offering a comfortable and safe grip while you're cooking up your favorite meals. Plus, the inclusion of bamboo utensils is a nice bonus, ensuring you have the right tools that won't scratch the non-stick coating. These MELENTA non-stick frying pans are also quite versatile, as they are induction compatible. This means they'll work on almost any stovetop, which adds to their convenience. The fact that they are 100% PFOA free gives peace of mind, knowing that you're cooking with a product that prioritizes your health. For anyone looking to upgrade their cookware without breaking the bank, this set offers great value and performance. It's a reliable product that makes everyday cooking simpler and more enjoyable. And it would even make a thoughtful gift for your wife or anyone who loves to cook. In terms of SEO, MELENTA non-stick frying pans is a key phrase that potential buyers might search for, and mentioning it multiple times helps with visibility. The description highlights the non-stick properties, the inclusion of bamboo utensils, and the induction compatibility, all features that users look for. While storage isn't a primary feature, the pans stack nicely. Conditions for use are simple. Avoid high heat and harsh scrubbing. There are no misleading ads here, just a straightforward review of a useful product. The edge these pans have is their ease of release and convenience. These items help bring out the flavor in your cooking without the worry of sticking. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: ceramic coating, egg and omelet ready. Stay cool handle, bamboo utensils included. Induction compatible 100% PFOA free, attractive turquoise color, easy to clean, healthy. Cooking cons: handle might loosen, uneven heating possible, not for high heat, hand wash recommended. Utensils might scratch, smaller pan sizes, coating longevity, potential for damage features. Non-stick frying pans set 8-inch pan, 10-inch pan, ceramic pan, egg pan, omelet pan. Stay cool handle, bamboo utensils, induction compatible. This MELENTA set has 2 non-stick frying pans. One is 8 inches and the other is 10 inches. They are made with a ceramic coating so food does not stick easily, which is great for cooking eggs and omelets. The handles stay cool when you are cooking. The set also comes with bamboo tools to use with the pans. These pans can be used on induction stovetops. They are made without PFOA. The pans are turquoise in color. This MELENTA frying pan set has 2 non-stick ceramic pans, 8 inches and 10 inches, in a pretty turquoise color for cooking eggs and omelets easily. They have stay cool handles and come with bamboo cooking tools. These pans can be used on induction stoves and don't have any harmful PFOA. They are easy to clean and good for healthy cooking. But the handles might get loose. They could heat unevenly, and you shouldn't use them on high heat. It's best to wash them by hand. And the bamboo tools might scratch the coating. The pans are also on the smaller side, and it's unclear how long the non-stick coating will last or if they might get damaged easily.